Well, we out here. Man with the green candy. He brought it down here to get done on the Ford. It came out pretty good. Pretty acceptable. Yeah. So overall, Eric, what you thinking?
Overall,
for the numbers they shot you. You know what they're talking about at home for this, right?
Yeah.
For to paint this.
Right.
How much? You don't know?
I know my boy got this Cougar painted for 6 racks.
Yeah. So for the number he gave us, and I see the defects that we are seeing.
Yeah.
Some of those are livable, but for the number we spent, I'm saying we winning still.
So the defects that you see.
Man, what you got there, Rob?
I got some tacos.
Some tacos, man, straight from the sidewalk to you. They delivered to the truck.
¿Cuánto cuestan tus tacos?
What? That's what you told us in Spanish?
She said cuatro. I said sí.
How's the hot sauce? You said it was hot?
It's hot. This is hot.
Okay, y'all see it. Got curb service right here at the border. This could be you, but you weren't here. Eat up, my man, eat up.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
They better enjoy it.
we got OJ on the back of the truck. He green now. I'm just saying. Gotta get up out of here. Okay, so we got us our green candy paint job on the OJ Bronco. And for a pretty goddamn good price. You know, people aren't gonna be able to go to the extremes that we went through. But for the most part, for the numbers that we got this done for, it turned out pretty goddamn good. It has some flaws, but those flaws aren't really no eye catchers that'll say, hey, hell no. You know, once he gets his rims on there, I think it'll be good. Body lines are pretty straight. One dent, but that's coming from that mirror right there because it flexes on the body. So that caused that. He knew about that. Also, the brother said, hey, don't do no body work because it's already straight. But for the most part, he on point, you know. Blue Bear Brown on the top, he did. I can't wait to see what kind of rims he decided to throw at it. That's going to be what makes this really stand out. But you know, as my boy Big Boy say, dare to be different. So we're gonna take him on to the house. Y'all see it. I'm just saying, letting you see what I see. Get some new front headlights on there too. Yeah, that'll do it. So Eric, my man, your overall Tijuana experience, well, how would you rate this from scale of 1 to 10?
1 to 10, give it a 9.
Okay, we talking 9 as in all the way around the after hour experiences, hanging out, seeing some things, or you know the paint shop scenario.
The hangout experience was great. We had a good time. You know, we got little Rob hanging out, first time doing the thing. He had a good time. We had a good time out here, you know.
Yeah.
I'm coming back in June, so.
Okay, that's, you know, he say he's coming back, so enough to come back. The paint shop experience, well, that was an up and down move. We're working on getting that hookup better connected to get good quality work.
Right.
Right now, we on test pilot stage. So once we get this whole thing hammered out, we'll go with it all the way.
Right.
But we fine tuning it as we go.
Exactly.
Learning who to deal with, who not to deal with. One step at a time. Like I say, I know some people who know some people. We're gonna work this out. Believe me, when I get it right, trust me,
It's gonna be right.
It's gonna be right.
It's gonna be right.
Yeah. That's that part right there, loved one. We gotta go. Wayne's Car Stereo. When I tell you this truck is heavy, look at the trailer. that is connected to it. It is heavy. This trailer, these U-Haul trailers, there's some heavy corrugated I-beam steel. I'm telling you, it's putting my truck to the test. Going up the grapevine. Thought I was doing something at a high velocity speed. Man, this trailer with OJ on the back, it said slow down. You are going too fast. Matter of fact, it made me slow down. It told you quit, pull over. I don't want to play no more. But I'm here. So, I'm gonna continue on pushing it to the house. Yeah, that part right there. Well, a total of 1,010 miles since Friday when we left. Here it is Saturday night, Sunday morning, we back. Around the world and back. Time to go lay it down and keep moving forward. Only thing you can't get back in life is time. So, live it to the fullest. That's all I got to say. Wayne's Car Stereo. Keep running. Keep moving. Enjoy life to the fullest. Good night.